Welcome to AI Meets Marketing News, where we share the latest trends and insights in AI marketing. Hey everyone, let's talk about red teaming, OpenAI's method for keeping their AI models safe and responsible. Red teaming is like a safety drill for AI. Experts and even AI systems test models to uncover risks and vulnerabilities. OpenAI used this with DALL-E 2 back in 2022 and has since expanded to include automated tools for faster, more detailed checks. OpenAI recently shared their red teaming playbook. Here's how it works. 1. Diverse team, experts from fields like cybersecurity and politics. 2. Model versions, testing early and advanced stages for gaps. 3. Clear guidance, structured testing with detailed instructions. 4. Data analysis, using results to improve future models. Their new automated red teaming approach trains AI to test AI, finding risks faster with more diverse attack strategies using reinforcement learning. Challenges: red teaming only captures risks at a moment in time, and disclosures must avoid tipping off bad actors. OpenAI is working hard to manage its balance. Red team things a game changer for AI safety. What do you think? And finally, wrapping up with our last major news. Big tech is betting big on artificial intelligence. In 2024, companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, and Meta will spend a staggering $240 billion on AI. Why? Because AI isn't just the future, it's happening now. Spending jumps from 74 billions in early 2023 to 171 billions by mid 2024, and it's still rising. By year end, Q4 investments alone could add 70 billion. This money funds cutting edge infrastructure. Think data centers, GPUs, and next gen tools. Microsoft expects $10 billion annually from AI products, while Alphabet uses AI for 25% of its new code. AI's potential is massive, projected to add $20 trillion to the global economy by 2030, with India seeing $500 billion in GDP growth by 2025. Big tech's AI spending is already paying off, with companies like Microsoft and Alphabet reporting double-digit growth. The AI revolution is here, and it's reshaping everything. Thanks for tuning in to AI News. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates from AI Meets Marketing.